What is good, everybody? It is Trey, Don't Play. We are going to install some of the new TcBros Truss Risers today. I got the raw ones for myself. These things are pretty rad. These look like full CNC'd. Man, these are really nice. Really nice. And they also went with ARP hardware this time. Super, super nice. I like the build of these a lot better than their other ones for some reason. I think 4 strong ARPs is a good look for sure. Super sick, man. Yeah, they killed it on these. Good job, guys. Stoked to throw these on my personal rig and some of the sweepstakes stuff this season. Ohio has got some rad stuff coming. Let's go. Do you know what you did to your bike?
I wasn't wheeling.
I'm gonna start out by taking one of these bad boys, putting it up here, putting our bottom through, just getting her lightly on, trying to mock everything up. Already, first appearance. I like it a lot. I'm not a super pullback guy, and these are very slightly pulled back. Very nice. Just a heads up, also, they do come in gold and black. So if you guys like a little bit of color, super sick. And I'm sure if you wanted to do a custom, you could take a set of the raws and get them anodized to your preference. Let's get the other side on real quick. These are light too, light and strong. Very nice. TcBros is killing it, man. They've been doing really well the past couple years. Stoked to have them on the team. Got both mocked up. Pretty fancy look. Man, they killed this. They really did. Tighten this side up a little bit. Let's see what it's looking like. But yeah, let's go get the top clamp, put some bars on. Shiny ARP stuff. Nice goods, gotta love it. Throw my old trusties on. You guys know, if you follow me on anything, I am a 1-bar person type of guy. Built well, high bends. That is all I run, just because I've never wanted to switch it up. I'm not really comfortable using anything else. I'm not a big fan of super straight handlebars. I like a little bit of back sweep, but kind of like a moto feel. I'm not a dirt bike guy, but this is just what I grew up on. First bike I got at 21. This is what I had. 6 years later, this is still what I got. Kind of lightly mock this up, let these bad boys hang down. Give you guys a nice little view. See if we can get in some threads lightly. Super cool. All right, leave those there for 1 second. 10 milli. Gotta love the ARP stuff. Looks so good. All right, we'll lightly get these threaded in here. But yeah, like I was saying, TcBros, they are from, I'm pretty sure, Archibald, Ohio. Ohio's got some rad stuff going on right now, man. It's pretty cool to see such an industry leader in the motorcycle scene being from Ohio. Back in the day, Columbus, Ohio was where the most motorcycles were ever titled, and most riders in the world at one time, which is crazy because we only get 5-6 months if we're lucky to actually ride. That right there might be good. So yeah, it's pretty rad to see Ohio doing something cool. I'm stoked to be from Ohio for once. Let those go. Old trusty here. And Plex Audio just moved here. That's another rad one. Appreciate them, by the way. They really hooked it up when I was in the hospital. My wife, she was trying to figure out really how the company runs, which is a lot easier said than done, especially a girl not knowing really much about motorcycles, trying to do motor mount orders. But yeah, Plex Audio really came through, man. Shout out Carlos and the guys over there. We appreciate you guys heavily. But yeah, wow, these things are sick. Hell yeah. TcBros absolutely killed it with these truss risers. Wish I could give you guys all three install today, but don't got enough time for all that. Wow. Yeah, my favorite part is the quality for sure, but also I'm not a pullback guy. I'm a straight riser guy, and those are pretty straight with a slight pullback. So I think I'm gonna like those a lot. Damn, they really killed it. These are amazing. TcBros, good job, guys. Tim and Tyler, just some brothers from Ohio made this rad brand. Yeah, big shout out to them. The colored ones are just as awesome. Pretty stoked to give those to my homies. Tyler, Scuba, Dank on 2, John. They really hooked it up this year. We blow through parts, but it seems that the TcBros parts really, they just take the beating, man. Every year, like, I always think I'm gonna need a set of new rotors, but I really don't. I just need a set for looking appearance purposes. Obviously they're going to change color a little bit, but I've never warped one of these floating TcBros rotors. They set us up with the 11/8 so we can run the Brimbos in the front and the 11/5s for the back for the stock calipers. Got some of their new MX shifter pegs. These are pretty rad too. Good packaging as always. They really take care of their customers, care about it. Super sick. Got the little bolts for if you want a little bit of extra grip on your shoes. Quality unmatched every time. Good job, guys. Got some sliders to protect anything really. Throw these on your top shock bolts. Lay your bike down, protects the pipe really well. Anything, honestly. Got some rad aluminum signs, some small ones. These are sick. And you know we had to hit the snapbacks. Hell yeah, appreciate you guys. You guys are gonna see all these TcBros parts on our sweepstakes bikes this year. Super excited to get that going. And also all of our personal Dynas and road glides, and maybe a Sportster too for the shows. We're getting ready for a big season. We got some super cool shows booked up, and we appreciate you guys. TcBros, much love from Ohio down south. Let's go. Appreciate it, everybody. Peace.